Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back with another Cricut project for a challenge. And what the theme was pumpkins, or is pumpkins, and so I decided to go searching for something new or something that I haven't used before. And so I'm using a digital cartridge called Creepy Critters, I think it is. And so I didn't realize that it was even in my design space. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I am using some of this copper glitter cardstock from Cricut, and I opted actually not to put anything on the back, like not attach this to a card front, but make it a kind of a one layer card slash tag, because it could be a tag or I could turn it into a card. I made an envelope because it came with an envelope because I thought that'd be kind of cool to make. But chances are great that I might just attach this to like a bag. It might end up being a bag front. So I just didn't do anything. I didn't attach it to make it into a card actually because of that. My sister's birthday is November 1st. So a lot of times I give her Halloween bags and Halloween wrapping paper and stuff for her birthday because I just joke it's leftovers and I bought it 50% off. So she doesn't mind. Her little girl's birthday is November 3rd, so she escapes the Halloween stuff a little bit more. So it cuts out these stars, so when it shines through, you can see the copper showing through. So it's almost like a pumpkin, but it's more like a copper. And so whenever I use glitter paper, I put stuff on glitter, I prefer to use something stronger than like ATG. So I recommend using like a score tape or very strong double-sided tape. Even wet glue is better than ATG, or even those little rolly things that have the glue on them. Those are crap. Don't use those on your glitter because I think it'll pop off. You want something a little stronger to go on top of glitter paper. I usually use score tape just because I have it handy. I buy it by the rolls. But wet glue works pretty well too. Any really strong double-sided tape, because it's just hard to adhere to the glitter because of the rough surface. So let's go ahead, and I might need a new blade for my Cricut. That little corner's looking a little shabby. So go ahead and put that on there. And then this piece cuts, and this is kind of like just happened to be in my stash. Paper's a little bit of a shimmer paper. Can't really tell, but and then when it goes down on the black, you can see it come through really nicely. So I usually don't use wet glue a lot for my projects, but I just happen to have it out, and this has a lot of little areas, and this glue is absolutely my favorite. I just actually bought some more of it along with the fine point tip, which I used to have, and I have no idea what happened to it. Don't know where it is. Don't worry about that. So it's really cute. So you could, like, if you have access to Design Space or Cricut, and I just bought this one image. I have so much images. I just bought this one image. You could just use the card base. You could just use this boo. You could just use the ghost. I mean, there's a lot of little fun pieces to it. You could even just use this pumpkin, which I think is adorable. So I'm going to attach my pumpkin right there. It's a little trick or treat pumpkin. And I'm only going to attach part of it. And very, very cute. And let's go ahead and put him down. And so don't worry about the glue kind of making a little spot there, because it will dry clear with this particular glue. This is the Art Glitter glue. Buy it from Amazon or Simon Says Stamp. Most stores will have it. Okay, so there's my card. Isn't that cute? And then it comes with an envelope. I wasn't going to print the envelope at first, but then I wanted to see what the envelope looked like because it makes this really kind of cool coin envelope type thing, which I actually really, really like. So that was the reason why I decided to make the envelope, because I just wanted to see what it would look like. And I like it. It makes a very, very nice envelope, because this style of envelope then I could use for some other projects. I have not mastered making this style of envelope on my punch board. I need a tutorial. Okay, so look how nicely that looks. I like that envelope. That's pretty snazzy. So, and then it cut out these little stars, which I ended up keeping. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this envelope, so I'm not going to really decorate it. But I had intended to, you know, not waste the stars and do stars on it, and maybe cut out like my sister's name. If I was going to make this be her card, I would do that. At this point, I'm not completely sure what I'm going to do with the stars. I might just keep them and use them as shaker bits or something. But the envelope does fit in here. It's sized perfectly to fit. And then you could put glue. You could do a little piece of washi, which I think is a fabulous idea. So let me just do some washi. And there we go. Voila. Isn't that cute? And then the washi can be opened, and then the card. That. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.